All right, here's a little later model four-door sedan we just got in it, unique, especially in classics. As you can see, this is a 2006 Dodge Charger RT with a Hemi underneath the hood. That'd be the 5.7 liter, which would be 340 horse, I believe, and a 390 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with an automatic transmission. One thing you can see up here front, you notice also, different grille in it. It does come with the stock kind of bar, the chrome with the bars going across it grille. That is in the trunk. You can also check out the still pictures so you can see what's in the trunk. See a picture of that, see the interior, see the engine bay, see everything at uniqueclassiccars.com or down below in the description of this video. You're going to see a link you can click on. It'll take you right to our website. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. Particular official color of this from Dodge was brilliant black crystal pearl coat, because it's not just a flat or straight out black paint, I should say. It's almost like a deep carbon with a little metallic in it. That's where they come up with the pearl coat, I'm guessing. As you can see, look at the reflection of that off the hood to the ceiling. Car's in very nice shape. According to the Carfax, one owner, no accidents indicated. Original miles, a little over 60,000 miles in this car, and you can tell it's been babied. Good rubber on it. Plenty of miles left on these tires. As you can see, it's riding on the polished alloy wheels. It does have leather interior, leather and suede interior in it, heated seats, and then your typical windows, locks, tilt, cruise, AC, all that good stuff. Some of the extras, like I said, heated seats. Do have the sunroof in this one, so power glass sunroof. Nicely equipped car, and again, you can tell by looking at this one, well taken care of up and down the sides of it. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Take a look at the underside too. Very clean underside, engine bay. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, down below in the description of this video, there's a link you can click on, take you right to us. Number is 507-386-1726. Now, we do consider trades. Maybe you got a little older car you want to trade in on this one. We do consider trades. We deal with classic sport cars. Both of those we'll take a look at, see what we think. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Again, you can see on this side also, very nice shape. Again, you can see the luster in the paint, not full of dings and scratches up and down this side either. Well taken care of. A lot of miles left in this car for somebody to enjoy, have some fun with. Let's go ahead and check out this interior first of all. Let's take a look in the back here. Doesn't look like it's been ridden in a whole lot back here, if at all, judging by looking at the seats. Rear vent outlets in the center console there. These Chargers have very comfortable seats in them too. A nice full seat, has some nice bolster to them. Take a look up here. You can see the nap in the suede is very nice. It's not all stained or flattened or wore out. It's just a nice, subtle suede in here. An automatic transmission, steering wheel controls, windows locks, power mirrors, all in the door. Let's take a look at the exact miles on this one. 62,411, I believe it is. Start it up for you so hear it run. No aftermarket exhaust or anything like that. There it is, 62,411. Stock stereo, dual climate control. Everything that you'd expect it to be on the inside here. Again, just a straight up nice car. Need to check the air pressure in the tire. One of them may be a little bit low, which is no surprise. The weather's been cooling down around here, so we'll take a look into that, make sure we get them all filled up and see if we can't get that light off. As you can see, no smoke, anything like that, no crazy obnoxious exhaust, fumes, no loud exhaust, anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We'll pop that hood and we'll take a little peek underneath the hood. All right, pop the hood. That smooth running Hemi underneath there, 5.7 liter. Take a look at the hood liner. You can tell this really hasn't been driven much in the winter. You would get the salt, debris from the moisture and the salt getting up underneath that hood and stain that hood liner. So you can tell this is a very clean engine bay, very well maintained and kept. Dodge Charger. So once again, pretty much stock. Doesn't look like cold air intake or anything like that's been done to it. Again, just an adult drew and well taken care of. Dodge Charger 2006 RT. A little over 60,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Carfax shows one owner. Check out the still pictures of this vehicle. Take a look down in the description below this video. Click on the link, take you right to our website. That's uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.